as you are able to see in front of you, there is an output. Now let me come to the first output. See, this is activity name, activity, coach, time, two activities, activities, coach, and time. Now when you come over here, this is exactly the same table but with little formatted part. Now what is the formatting that we have done? As you are able to see in the earlier part, let us over here, there was no table border. So what I'm going to do, I will be using a table border and little formatting I will do now in front of you. So be prepared for the formatting part of the tables which we will be performing now. Now, in the earlier parts, we have just studied various attributes of the table tag. Now we are going to learn a hands-on activity with a few of the attributes of the table tag, and then we are going to continue with the attributes in the next session also. Now, first, since you all are aware, we are doing this activity on Google Sites. So I'm opening the same sites. This is the table that we have just created. Now what I'm doing, I'm just selecting it and I'm editing it. Then now why I require to edit? Because the code is approximately the same. So how I'm selecting it, the shortcut way is Control A, and then I will be Control C, it is copy. So that means one of the code is copied over here and the table remains unchanged. The table is same. Now you all are aware how to insert or how to embed the HTML code. Yes, we are aware. We will be going in the insert tab, my students, and I will be clicking on the embed part over here. There will be two sections, by URL and by embed code. We have to go in embed code and we have to just paste it. The shortcut way of pasting is Control V. But since I'm dictating, I'm using the right click method and I will be pasting it. Now the first part over here, you are able to see the tag table over here. Now I will be giving table border. Table border equal to, I'm giving 1 and I'm going to see what happens now. Are you able to see the difference between this particular table and this particular table? Yes. Now, this particular table is without any borders and this table is with borders. So, yes, with the help of one particular code, that is table border equal to 1, I have incorporated the border or I have embedded the border in the table. Then what I'm doing, I'm typing align. Align equal to double quotes and I'm typing center. Double quotes closed. Now again, next, in order to see, you are able to see initially the table was on the left hand side. Now the table is moving towards the center of the screen, as you are able to see over here. So we have done two attributes of the table. One is border and second is the alignment. Now I will be showing you some more attribute, that is cell padding. Cell padding, you all are aware what is cell padding. It is the spaces between the text. It is the spaces between the text and the table border. So I'm typing cell padding equal to, and I will be giving some attributes over here. It should be numeric attributes. So I'm giving 10 and I'll be clicking on next. You are able to see over here. Over here, there won't be any, see over here, you are able to see the difference between the text and the cell border. That means there is certain spaces between the text and the cell border. If I'm going to remove this, what will happen? See, if I'm removing this, what will happen now? Next, there won't be any spaces between the text and the borders. So if I require to go for the space, Control Z, the text came. You are able to see the output over here. And then I will be typing cell spacing. Now what is cell? You are aware about cell. Individual thing that we are able to see on the tables are called as cell spacing or cells. So I'm giving cell spacing as 10 and I'm clicking on next. That means the difference between each and every cell will be 10 pixels. So you are able to see the difference between the you are able to see the hands-on activity or practical performance of various attributes of the table. Now, there will be some more attributes which we are going to cover in the next session.